please call us at Locksmith Andover MA. Our licensed, experienced techs will come to you to attend to any of your needs for any kind of automobile, residence, and business requirements at all hours of the day. We always dispatch all of our technicians with the latest big manufacturer hardware and equipment so that you, the customer, can have all of your security needs met. If you are looking for the best, quickest service by the best people who really know the industry, there is only one choice. Call us, call us, call us at 617-275-5434 for very, 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 extremely, very, 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 very fast service.